Namaste. Welcome to Nepal. Your Everest adventure starts here. Let's get you settled and rested.
This evening, enjoy a traditional Nepali dinner with a cultural show, and get briefed on the trek ahead. Your Himalayan adventure starts now.
Day 2. Flying to Lukla. Welcome to Lukla, the world's most thrilling flight. Gateway to Everest. Now the real adventure begins. Just 30 minutes, but the views?
Kathmandu to Lukla and trek to Phakding. Start your day with a scenic 30-minute flight to Lukla, offering breathtaking Himalayan views. From Lukla, begin your trek to Phakding through beautiful landscapes and traditional villages. This is your first step into Nepal's natural and cultural wonders. Overnight in Phakding. Phakding to Namche. Bazaar trek from Phakding to Namche Bazaar as you cross the Dingboche River and suspension bridges decorated with prayer flags. Enter Acclimatization National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and enjoy stunning views of the mountains. Arrive at the lively Sherpa town of Namche Bazaar, the main hub of the Everest region.
Day 4, Acclimatization Day at Namche Bazaar. We will spend this day resting our muscles and adapting to the Himalayan culture of the original Sherpa town. You can visit the Sherpa Culture Museum or take short walks to nearby shops to experience the local life amidst majestic mountain views. For better acclimatization, consider hiking to the Everest View Hotel or the Kumjung Monastery. Remember, this day sets your tone for the entire trek.
Day 5 begins. Join Awesome Holidays Nepal on an incredible journey through the Himalayas.
Namche Bazaar to Tengboche trek from Namche to Tengboche through vibrant rhododendron forests and scenic mountain trails. Enjoy breathtaking views of Everest, Namche, and Amadablam. Arrive at Tengboche Monastery, a serene spiritual site set against a stunning Himalayan backdrop.
Good morning from Tengboche. Day 6.
Tengboche to Dingboche. Trek from Tengboche to Dingboche through diverse landscapes, crossing the Imja Kola and passing the village of Tengboche. Reach Dingboche in the scenic Imja Valley with stunning views of Lhotse, Amadablam, and Island Peak. Hello, climbed to Dingboche through forests and rivers. Now it's rest day with epic Everest views. Acclimatization day in Dingboche. Take a rest day in Dingboche to adjust to the altitude. Enjoy short hikes with breathtaking views of the Everest Massif. The peaceful setting is perfect for relaxation and preparing for the journey ahead.
Morning everyone! Today we begin our ascent from Dingboche. It's going to be a challenging climb, but the views will be incredible. Let's go!
Dingboche to Lobuche. Trek from Dingboche to Lobuche with a steady climb through rugged terrain and shrub landscapes. Enjoy views of the Khumbu Glacier as you ascend. Though challenging due to altitude, this part of the journey offers incredible mountain scenery and a true sense of adventure. Day 9. Lobuche to Gorak Shep and Everest Base Camp Trek from Lobuche to Gorak Shep, then continue to Everest Base Camp. Enjoy stunning views of the Khumbu Icefall and towering peaks.
Wow! Just wow! After all this way, to see this sunrise over Everest.
After experiencing this iconic destination, return to Gorak Shep for the night, a major highlight of your Everest journey. Absorbing the Himalayan ambience of Everest's base camp, we will begin our trek to get back to Kathmandu. On day 11, we'll embark on a scenic descent from Farishi to Namche Bazaar, retracing our steps through the beautiful landscapes and traditional villages we passed on the ascent. As we descend, the trail offers us new perspectives and fresh experiences, revealing the natural beauty of the region in a different light. Once we reach Namche Bazaar, we'll immerse ourselves in the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling Sherpa town, where we can enjoy its comforts and rich culture, adding another layer of enjoyment to our Nepal trekking adventure. On day 12, trek from Namche Bazaar to Lukla. On our final trekking day, we'll continue our descent from Namche Bazaar to Lukla, passing through the familiar lush landscapes that have become a part of our Everest adventure. As we make our way back, we'll feel a deep sense of accomplishment, having completed this incredible journey. Upon arriving in Lukla, we'll take a moment to bid farewell to the Everest region and prepare for our flight back to Kathmandu, marking the conclusion of our unforgettable Nepal trip. On day 13, fly from Lukla to Kathmandu. We'll start our day with an early morning flight from Lukla to Kathmandu, where we'll once again be treated to scenic views of the Himalayas, a final reminder of our incredible journey. Upon arrival in Kathmandu, we'll transfer to our hotel and enjoy a day of relaxation, or take the opportunity to explore more of the city's vibrant culture and attractions. This day marks a peaceful and reflective end to our Nepal adventure, allowing us to unwind after our trek. On day 14, free day in Kathmandu, we'll spend our final day in Kathmandu, exploring the rich cultural heritage of the city at our own pace. We can visit iconic historical landmarks such as Buddhanath Stupa, Swayambhunath, Monkey Temple, and Pashupatinath Temple, immersing ourselves in the spiritual and architectural wonders of Nepal. Alternatively, we can take time to shop for souvenirs, or simply relax and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the city. This free day allows us to fully soak in the culture and history of Nepal before our departure, rounding off our unforgettable Nepal vacation. On day 15, departure from Kathmandu. As our Nepal trip comes to an end, we may have some free time before our departure for last-minute shopping or a final stroll through Kathmandu. Our representative will then transfer us to the airport for our flight, bringing our unforgettable Everest Base Camp Trek and Nepal vacation to a close. We'll depart with memories of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and the adventure of a lifetime.